Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Halima Smile. I'm a social media manager and a content creator. I also teach people how to manage their social media platforms and how to create content using Canva and CapCut. Welcome. Okay, so for today is not going to be the usual Q&A questions. I'm just going to give you a highlight of my life so far and how I stumbled upon social media management and what I'm currently up to. About a year ago, I had a baby. Yay, I know, right? I had a baby, and I couldn't really work during that time, and so I was looking for things I could do working from home. If you're a stay-at-home mom, or if you're a mom looking to have more time at home, you would really relate with this fact that you always want to have a job that allows you to have more time for your kids and then time for yourself. So, in the means of trying to research and get something I could do from home, I stumbled upon virtual assistants. So at first, I wasn't a full blown social media manager. I was a VA who helped coaches to do admin tasks, data entry, Facebook community management, and the likes. So after a while, I got a client that was interested in me managing her social media platform. And guys, that was the changing era. That was what changed the whole game for me. That was what piqued my interest in content creation and social media management. I learned so much about algorithm because I wanted her platform to work. I had to learn how to write captions, hashtag research, SEO research, content creation with Canva, with CapCut, and other things, different type of content formats. God, but it was such an amazing experience for me, and it was such a journey that I always feel happy about whenever I remember how I grew or the nights I spent watching tutorials and practicing and all that. But it is worth it, guys. Content creation is worth it. Social media is worth it if you know what you're doing on social media. It is worth it. So if you're watching right now and you're thinking if the stress of social media for your business is worth it, I am telling you it is worth it. So guys, that was how I stumbled upon content creation, and then that was it for me. And from then I decided to niche down to social media management. So yeah, now I'm a social media manager and then I'm a content creator. I also teach people how to create content using Canva and CapCut. It's such a joy, guys. Content creation gives me so much joy, which is why I decided to create this channel to teach people how to monetize themselves, how to monetize their knowledge, how to understand how social media works, the content strategy, marketing strategy, and everything in between. So if you are a mom or you are a single lady or you are a guy that just wants to learn how social media works and how to monetize yourself, this is home for you. So click on that subscribe button and join me on my journey. Yay! Okay, guys. So basically, um, social media would really humble you. Social media will humble you. It takes discipline, it takes consistency, and it takes hard work. It's no child's play, but then it is worth it. By the time you start seeing the results, you would know social media is actually worth it. Okay, when I first started social media, I spent hours on YouTube learning tutorials, learning how Instagram worked, learning how Facebook worked, learning how TikTok worked, learning how YouTube works, so I can help my clients. And then there's always updates. So I had to keep myself updated with what is going on with all the platforms and all that. But yeah, at with time, I kind of created a system that worked for me. I followed all the social media platforms, like on their own official pages or their own website. I made sure I kept tabs with them like every 2 weeks, and that kept me updated with what was going on. So I still watch tutorials, and then if I see someone who I know can teach me, I do approach. If it's something I have to pay for, I pay. If it's something that can be taught for free or for an exchange, I do that. So guys, that is my journey so far, and I just wanted this video to be just what I've been up to, who I am and what I do, and then to tell you guys that you can monetize your knowledge. Okay, you can monetize your knowledge. Social media doesn't have to be scary if you know the right things to do and the right approach to it. It doesn't have to be scary. Okay, so do join me on my next video. It's going to be amazing. My first official tutorial. I do hope you guys learned from it, and I hope you've enjoyed my video so far. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.